How to fix Docker Desktop WSL Update Failed. Docker Desktop throwing a WSL Update Failed error. Don't panic, here's how you can fix it. So first, identify the errors. Common errors include regdbe, class not reg, or exit status 0xFFF, and this happen when WSL isn't updated correctly. So open the PowerShell as administrator, search for PowerShell into this section, and then open it as administrator. And then once you have opened it, go ahead and run WSL update. If that fails, use WSL//update web download, force a fresh install. Now, third is to make sure virtual machine platform and Windows subsystem for Linux are enabled in Windows features, and then restart your PC. And fourth, go ahead and head over to the apps and features, select Docker Desktop and click repair. If that doesn't work, reinstall the latest version. And that is how you can basically fix Docker Desktop WSL update failed.